This tutorial review will show you how to backup Facebook Messenger chat, and this is a very easy and quick process. Without any application or any third-party website, you will be able to backup your Facebook Messenger chats. So first of all, launch your Facebook and make sure to log in into your Facebook account. Then click on your profile menu and click on settings and privacy. Then go to settings tab and here click on privacy and click on your Facebook information, and here you will get this option, download profile information. So you have to click on view, deselect all these options by clicking on deselect all, and you have to select only messages from here. And now select the file format and media quality, select high, date range. If you want to back up all your messages, then you have to select here all time and scroll down all the way to the bottom. You will get this request a download option here, so click on that and now go to the top and select available files tab, and as you can see, I've successfully sent a request to download my Facebook Messenger messages, and it may take some time to get the download link. As you can see, it's ready to download, so I'm going to downloading it from here. And to continue, enter here the account password and click on confirm. And here is the file. It's successfully downloaded. I'm going to opening my file manager, and we need to extract the file. So select the file and right click on it, extract it. Once it's extracted, open the extracted folder, and here you will get this index.html file. So you have to open this on your browser. So drag it and drop it on your browser, and then click on your messages, and here you will get all of your message conversation. So open any conversation to see all of the text messages. So this is how we can backup Facebook Messenger chats. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.